Make money online fast and easy. All right, let's get real. I'm taking on the challenge to make money online fast and easy. No fluff, no nonsense. Can it actually be done? Did you know that millions of people are already making money online, even in just a few hours a week? What's stopping you from getting a piece of that action? Let's dive in and see how you can get started today. We live in a time where making money online isn't just a pipe dream, it's a real way to make extra cash or even replace your full-time income. Think about it. Flexibility, control, and the chance to get paid for what you want to do. In today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, there's no reason you can't earn money online. So how do we do it without getting caught up in scams or wasting our time? The internet is packed with promises of quick cash. But let's face it, a lot of them are smoke and mirrors. We've all heard horror stories of people losing money in scams or getting sucked into endless YouTube rabbit holes about how to get rich online. So, what's the real deal? What actually works? One of the biggest challenges people face is knowing where to start. With so much information out there, it's easy to get stuck or make the wrong choice. You might find yourself trying a bunch of things that don't actually pay off, or even worse, falling for a scam. So today we're cutting through the noise and getting down to real proven ways that people are making money online, starting with little to no experience. Let's talk real opportunities. First up, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to get paid for any skill you bring to the table. Graphic design, writing, video editing, you name it. You set your own prices, build a reputation, and yes, there are people making thousands per month freelancing from home. Another method? Paid online surveys. You're not going to get rich here, but if you're looking for quick, no-hassle cash, sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie pay you to give your opinion on products and services. Sure, it's simple, but money is money, right? And then we have selling online. People are making big bucks flipping items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and even Craigslist. Have old items in the garage? Sell them for a profit. Want to get creative? Flip items you find on clearance or at yard sales. If you'd rather go digital, creating and selling printables or digital downloads on Etsy is a low-cost way to build passive income. The best part: once it's up, it can keep making you money without you lifting a finger. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Take someone like Mike, who lost his job, had bills to pay, and needed cash fast. He started freelancing with just his skills in web design. Within a few weeks, he went from earning a couple of $100 to over $2,000 a month. And he didn't stop there. He started flipping items on eBay on the side, doubling his income in no time. Mike went from unemployed to a thriving online earner, all because he found ways to make money online that actually work. Stories like his prove that, with grit and smart moves, real success is possible. Making money online is absolutely within reach, but it's no magic trick. The opportunities are there for those willing to take action and put in a little hustle. Whether it's freelancing, taking surveys, or selling items online, there's a method for everyone. So, are you ready to get started? Drop a comment with any questions or your own success story, and don't forget to check out my next video for more insider tips on making money online. Let's make it happen.